Hello again. I'm WCCO Chief Meteorologist Chris Schaefer. Still quiet in the Twin Cities metro area. No rain yet, but as you can see, that line is advancing. We now have thunderstorms as close as Elk River, Annandale. Heading west, we've had storms in Litchfield. These are strong thunderstorms, but not severe. Let's take a ride up Highway 94, in fact, and show you a traffic camera near Clearwater to show you that we've got the heavy rain, and this is very reminiscent of what we were dealing with last night, where there's multiple lightning flashes, many of them cloud to cloud. You'll see here, just watch, there they go. There's the lightning. You see the road spray as well. It's been raining. Fortunately, it's a pretty fast moving line, so we haven't seen a lot of issues with ponding water on the roadways, but the potential is there. That's one of the concerns as this line gets closer to the Twin Cities. It's hitting more urban areas shortly, and there's more potential for that water to run off. But that's a little peek at our future, what's coming our way. Again, that was up in Clearwater. Here's the line. Again, we haven't had a severe thunderstorm warning since back in the Morris area, pretty far to the west. So the line has been moving from west to east. Here's a little wider look to show you behind it. Nothing. That's it. There's the line we're dealing with. There hasn't been much as far as hail. Here's a look at the estimates. These shades of purple you see only equate to pea-size hail. That's not going to do any damage. That's the most common size hail out there, but not damaging, which is good news. It's been all about the wind and also the rain. Some rain estimates from earlier, a few hours back, that did exceed an inch, and it happens in about 20 minutes because once it starts raining, it doesn't last long. You see how thin this line is, and folks are already in the clear in west central Minnesota. We do have one severe thunderstorm warning right now with that cluster down in Rock County, but that will be pushing into Iowa shortly. National Weather Service still has the severe thunderstorm watch for the Twin Cities as the line gets closer. It's moving much quicker than the estimates on future radar were showing earlier tonight. Some had it from midnight to 2 a.m. This will be here by the 10 o'clock news tonight on television. The pink shaded counties, those are the severe thunderstorm watch. It's in effect until 1 o'clock in the morning. We will definitely see these counties out to the west drop before that, and we'll talk about those orange counties coming up in a second. Do know it is still very warm out there, 82 degrees in the Twin Cities. Look at the difference. When the rain comes through, temperatures have fallen back to the 60s in that rain-cooled air. And it is muggy out there still. Our dew point at 68. The highest dew points are still to the south and southwest, where it's very Florida-like, with those dew points in the upper 70s. Future radar will show that line buzzing through the Twin Cities in the next hour and a half, likely clearing before midnight. Clouds will linger, maybe a few isolated showers overnight, but that's basically it. We'll get back to some sunshine tomorrow. Couple things you'll like. It won't be as humid. You'll still notice the humidity, but it will be cooler. That 83 is average this time of year, in upper 70s and 80s with a mix of sun and clouds, maybe an isolated shower. Remember I showed you those orange shaded counties earlier? That is an air quality alert. It starts at 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. It goes till 11 at night on Wednesday. I've seen speculation that could be extended longer, and maybe those counties kick a little farther south. What it is what it always is. It's the smoke from the Canadian wildfires. When the predominant winds will be shifting and coming from the north, it'll drag that smoke over us again, and there's a pretty good indication it could mix down at the surface, so unhealthy for people with sensitive breathing issues. Asthma is a great example. Just a heads up what's coming the next few days. So the rain will clear tonight. Tomorrow, not bad. This is when it gets flat out great. A high in the upper 70s, not humid, and that trend continues right into our weekend. Next best chance of rain will be coming up Sunday into Monday. So coming up, we'll have live updates on what's going on with those thunderstorms on our 10 o'clock news on CCO, and we're always keeping you up to date right here on CBS News Minnesota.